You might know sauerkraut as the tangy stuff in a jar, but scientists say it could be doing a whole lot more than adding crunch to your lunch. A new study from the University of California, Davis, published in Applied and Environmental Microbiology, suggests that sauerkraut might actually help protect your gut, which plays a huge role in digestion, immunity, and overall health. Researchers Maria Marco, a professor in the Department of Food Science and Technology, and postdoctoral researcher Lei Wei wanted to understand what makes sauerkraut special. So they compared three things: raw cabbage, sauerkraut, both store-bought and homemade, the leftover brine from the fermentation process. Their mission? To see how each one affects intestinal cells, especially when it comes to inflammation-related damage, which can harm gut health over time. The surprising results: only sauerkraut, not raw cabbage or the brine alone, help maintain the structure and integrity of intestinal cells. This means that something unique happens during fermentation, something that could make sauerkraut more than just a tasty topping. Even better, store-bought sauerkraut work just as well as the kind made in the lab, so you don't need to turn your kitchen into a fermentation station to get the benefits. But first, hey California, you just got your shout out. The earth feeds us all in magical ways. I'd love to know, where are you rooted? Share your corner of the world below in the comments. So, what's happening in the jar? Fermentation transforms cabbage on a chemical level. It boosts levels of lactic acid, amino acids, plant-based compounds, also known as phytochemicals. These are the types of metabolites that are often linked to gut health and reduced inflammation. In fact, some of the compounds found in sauerkraut are the same kinds made naturally by your gut microbiome, your body's internal team of good bacteria. The catch: we need more research. This study was done in a lab using intestinal cell models, not on real people. Yet. We're confident that what we're seeing makes sense biologically, said Marco. But the next step is to conduct human trials to confirm whether these benefits hold up in everyday diets. So while the early signs are promising, more research is needed to know exactly how much sauerkraut and how often makes a real impact in humans. So, are you thinking about adding a little more to your plate? Go right ahead, it certainly won't harm you, and who knows, it might become your gut's new best friend. Why, even a simple, regular serving could boost your gut's resilience and lend it a helpful hand in battling inflammation. Plus, it's a delightful way to include more fermented foods in your daily menu. But let's not rush to crown it as the miracle food just yet. Our dear scientists are still working hard to put together the complete picture. The bottom line: sauerkraut is not just a sidekick to your main dish anymore. It's up to the plate to potentially play the role of a gut health guardian. But until we get the green light from human trials, let's call it a tantalizing maybe, with a dash of serious potential. Remember, every bite can be a blessing, especially when it's fermented. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.